Hi, I'm Tony. Welcome to skyview.co.uk. This is an important bit of information for those that want to know about the laws concerning drones in the UK. Firstly, drones can be great fun, but a lot of people that don't realise that there is strict laws that control how they can be legally used. The main issues are, first, are you flying for fun or are you benefiting in some way commercially? The second is the limits on where you can fly, and the third point is privacy. These topics really concern drones that are fitted with cameras and weights up to 7 kg in weight. It's illegal to fly your aircraft for any commercial operation defined as in return for remuneration or other valuable consideration without permission from the Civil Aviation Authority or CAA. In other words, if you get paid or make some sort of financial gain for it, then you have to have the correct paperwork in place and permissions. The other point is that you must stay within the law, and that means within the height and distance limits stipulated by the CAA. You have been warned that the CAA and authorities actively monitor social media such as YouTube for evidence of people breaking the law, and in some cases this has led to prosecutions. So have fun, know the law and stay legal. You're not allowed to fly more than 400 foot vertically above ground level, and you must also be able to maintain visual contact with the aircraft at all times horizontally, up to a maximum distance of 500 meters from you. The same rules apply if you are at sea level or at the top of a mountain. In other words, wherever you take off from, you can climb 400 foot vertically above that ground point. That doesn't mean that you can traverse sideways above 400 foot. Different rules apply to different aircraft types. UAVs have a maximum of 400 foot, as I mentioned. Civil aircraft have a minimum of 500 foot, so that should give you a cushion of 100 foot safety cushion. But RAF jets have a minimum of 150 foot that they're allowed to come down, so you have a crossover area there of 250 foot. Helicopters have no limit on the height that they can come down to. This means there is a potential conflict between UAVs, low-flying jets and helicopters. There is little chance that a low-flying jet will see your UAV. Therefore, you must be vigilant when flying above 150 foot. If you can hear or see other air users in the same area, then you should make sure you stay at a safe level. You must not fly your SUAV within 50 meters of any person, vehicle or structure that is not under your control. You must not fly within 150 meters or at any height above groups of people, congested areas or events. And lastly, something to be wary of is using a drone to record images of other people without their consent, as this could be construed as a breach of the Data Protection Act or of the CCTV Code of Practice. So, if you've just bought a drone and you want to get out there, by all means do. They're great fun. Have fun, know the law and stay legal.